Hello friends, today in this video we are going to talk about how to reset home screen layout on your iPhone 16 Pro. So let's get started. To reset your home screen layout on your iPhone, you need to go your settings. Just tap on it. When you tap on it, you can see a new interface on your screen just like this. Here you can see option of general. Just tap on it. When you tap on it, at the bottom of the screen you can see a option of transfer or reset iPhone. Just tap on it. When you tap on it, it is asked for reset. Just tap on reset. When you tap on it, you can see several options. Choose the reset home screen layout in the process. Okay, when you tap on it, you can see another interface on your screen. Just tap on reset home screen to confirm and execute the action. Okay, so that's all in this video. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then please hit a like button. Thank you.